Hello, my name is Steve Coogan. I'm in an ordinary caff, having an ordinary cup of tea because I'm an ordinary bloke.
Sorry, we couldn't do a skinny soy latte, Steve.
It's fine. Now, I was born in Manchester. I had a great childhood, and my parents taught me to respect hard work, honesty, and decency. We weren't rich, but we had more than enough to go around, and even though there were 6 of us, my parents decided to foster other children. Because for us, it wasn't just about looking after number one and to hell with everyone else. I've been lucky. I'm successful and quite comfortably off, but I've never forgotten the values they gave me. They taught me that politics matter. Now, a lot of people are very cynical about politics, but it's easy to be cynical. Cynicism doesn't change anything. Cynicism never built a school or a hospital. The great thing about the British people is that they have a sense of fairness. And when we see the Conservatives helping their rich friends avoid paying taxes, we know that's not fair, because it means that decent, hard-working people have to pay more. And if we don't think that's fair, we need to change it. And the way to change it is to vote Labour. The Labour Party gave this country the National Health Service. It gave us the minimum wage because Labour believes in helping all the people, not just the privileged few. I trust Labour with the NHS. I know they'll take care of it. And when the Conservatives say they will, I don't trust them. Imagine how we'll feel if we wake up on Friday with another 5 years of the Tories in Downing Street. More cuts, more privatisation and the dismantling of the NHS. But it doesn't have to be like that. Now, this election's on a knife edge. But if you want a government that believes in working families, in a better future for our kids, that stands up for everyone, then you can have it. But you need to go out and vote for it. So vote Labour this Thursday.
This election is a choice between the Tories' failing plan and Labour's better plan for working families. Labour understands that Britain only succeeds when working people succeed. Vote Labour on Thursday, May the 7th.